With the space hotting up, it's also seen newer startups join the bandwagon with extremely innovative business models. One such startup is Ixigo.com.
When you do a flight search on Ixigo, we actually search across all the airline sites in the country, and we also search on online travel portals who are offering better deals sometimes.
The current Indian OTA market, pegged at $1 billion, is dominated by MakeMyTrip, Yatra and ClearTrip. With consumer confidence increasing, online air booking on OTA websites has risen to almost 45%. But even as flights booking accounts for a major chunk of revenue pies of most of these travel websites, the relationship with airlines is still a teething pain.
That will turn out to be a challenge. It's a very price-sensitive market, and I think right now we are at a certain threshold where volumes are being maintained and prices are convenient for a customer. I think passing on an extra service tax to the consumer will only impact volumes negatively.
So how do we see the commission tussle between airlines and OTAs resolving?
I think it's, not really going to get resolved completely. So you have to understand the airlines want to reduce their cost of distribution. They're fine with OTAs, and they're actually, some of them, quite happy with OTAs because we promise the most cost-effective means of distribution. I think the problem really comes is when people say, listen, I want to make flat 5% on a business class or a first class ticket.
So as this dynamic landscape sees a truce between agents and airlines, most expect the competition between OTAs and the airline websites to only increase. All this points to just one thing: more convenience and discounts for the traveller. Yes, travellers can look forward to an increasing number of OTA applications on mobile phones. So next time you are on a trip, go ahead and plan the other.
Another space that startups are exploring is online bus ticketing. In fact, a lot of startups like RedBus.in have actually managed to make some progress in that space. We'll take a breather on the show, but coming up,
An all-access app store, it's MobiKwik on our elevator pitch.